All right, so we're jumping out of the music just for a bit and jumping into the kitchen as the chef Cheryl-Ann Shortt-Charles has joined us as she is going to present the Star Ingredient Challenge here on the show. This Star Ingredient Challenge brought to you by Dujardin.
Yes.
It's a range of vegetables, frozen vegetables, that I didn't realize, chef.
They had so much of.
And that I've been using it for because this is one,
Yes,
the spinach is one of the products that I've used a lot. I used it actually yesterday on the show.
Right.
Because it's very easy where you don't have to cook down the spinach, it's there. It's a lot of spinach you also get in this.
And it's good too, especially if you're using it in mixes. So like if you want to have an omelette or whatever you made with it yesterday.
Yeah, I mix it with some ricotta cheese.
Right, and then it's in separate blocks.
Yes, it is.
So you can take out as much as you require and put the rest back.
So Dujardin frozen vegetables, an entire range, and Chef Cheryl-Ann Shortt-Charles is using
the corn mix.
A corn mix.
Right. So this mix has carrots, beans, and corn in it.
Yeah.
Right? And we're going to use it to make a fritter.
A fritter.
A vegetable fritter.
I love a fritter ever so often.
Right. So we're going to start with, we have some cornmeal, flour, I have some shadow beni inside of there. Right? So we're going to put a little salt, a little black pepper. Can't do without a little jeera.
Jeera.
A little smoked paprika, right? We have cheese, so we're going to make it a little cheesy as well, right? An egg.
One egg.
One egg. And you mix all of that together first, right? Now what may happen is if you find it's not as wet as you want it, you could add a little water into it.
Oh. Because it's basically almost like a dough-like substance you're looking for?
Yes. So add a little more liquid in there. So I like to mix it in first.
Right.
And then I'll put the veg in. Right? So you see we have a little batter there. And then we add our veg.
So it's a vegetable fritter type of thing?
Yes. So mix all of that in together. So give me a little mix by the time I set my pot.
You're fine these days, I ain't helping you.
No. So I'm going to put a little oil in here.
Right.
Swirl it around to make sure our pot is fully coated. And then I have a spoon. And take some out, put it in.
Just like that?
Just like that.
It's like a corn vegetable fritter almost.
Yeah. So you want to excite, and if your kids eat veg, it's always a problem for kids to eat veg.
Right.
And it's quick pick up in the grocery. And not much ingredients. You put in, and as you said, you put the cheese. Yeah,
I forgot the cheese. It's cheesy as well. Yeah.
Put some cheese in there. So you have to fry them down until they get golden brown. So while that is doing that, what I did bring to go with it, now you can serve it with anything. You can serve it with sour cream. You could put a little heavy cream if you want on top of it. But I have a spicy tomato relish that I made.
You made that?
We made that.
Yes.
And that is on our menu at Aroma.
That's on the menu?
That's on the menu at Aroma.
There's a little plug here for the home of Cup of Joe, Aroma Culinary Studio. Chef Cheryl-Ann Shortt-Charles runs the cafe here, and I tell you, those little relishes. She makes everything from scratch.
Yes,
yeah, she makes everything from scratch.
As long as we can make it.
As long as she makes it, yeah. But if you can't, these fruits and vegetables from Dujardin are fantastic. because you can really do a lot with these vegetables. It's just a two-out, chef. And,
Yes,
and
it's just a toast. Or sometimes you could just put it straight into it. Once you have a pot, if you want to just heat it through,
right.
put a pot of hot water on it with a little salt and put it straight from the freezer.
From the freezer.
You don't have to
You don't
even
have to
let it
thaw
thaw.
out. You don't even have to thaw it out.
You don't even have to thaw
Quick
it out.
and easy.
Quick and easy. I have a little plate here for you where you can try one. Right? With a little bit of the tomato chutney on top of there. That's yours.
So I can safely go with a cheesy corn vegetable fritter.
Fritter. And you can have it anytime. Nice mix.
I'm getting my vegetables in.
You're getting your vegetables
Thanks to
in.
Dujardin. It's cheesy. And the condiment does go well with it.
I think you're getting all your proteins in.
All my proteins in here.
You have eggs, you have your cheese, and you're good to go.
All right, I think the guy is getting hungry, so I think we should do up
A little
all
more.
of those. Yeah. So guys, thanks to the folks at Dujardin for this star ingredient. Chef Cheryl-Ann Shortt-Charles, simple, nice, cheesy corn fritter that you can try the recipe on trinicooks.com. This one is simple, effective, and a lovely,
quick.
nice snack, a quick snack. Yeah? We're serenading you on a Sunday. I hope you enjoy the music of Eden Hagley. We're continuing here on the show. Lots to come. Don't go